Hi, welcome to Mobile Educational YouTube channel. My name is M. Ramakrishna, School Assistant Bioscience, working at Kankarboard High School, Mahabubabad. So, we are discussing about malnutrition topic from 10th class Bioscience. This topic is chapter is first chapter. So, first we are going to discuss malnutrition. We have to learn the meaning of nutrition. Simple. What is the meaning of nutrition? Intake of nutrients is called nutrition. So what is the meaning of nutrition? Intake of nutrients. All nutrients is called nutrition. So then coming to malnutrition topic. So what is the meaning of malnutrition? What is the meaning of malnutrition? The food which does not have one or more than one nutrient in required amount of food is called malnutrition. So what are the causes of malnutrition in children in our country and in other countries also and throughout the world also? So there are many causes of malnutrition in children. There are many causes of malnutrition are there, but mainly there are three types of causes for malnutrition. They are willful starvation, first one. Second one, poor health. Second one. Third one, lack of awareness on nutritional habits. So these are the three causes of malnutrition in the children in our country and in other countries also. So these three types of causes of malnutrition leads to three types of malnutritions. They are protein malnutrition. First one, three types of malnutritions are there. They are first one protein malnutrition, and the second one calorie malnutrition, and the third one protein calorie malnutrition. First one protein malnutrition, second one calorie malnutrition, and third one protein calorie malnutrition. Okay, first one. So these three types of malnutritions leads to diseases in children. So they are kwashiorkor disease, marasmus disease, and obesity disease. Kwashiorkor disease, marasmus disease, and obesity disease. So first one we are going to discuss kwashiorkor disease. Kwashiorkor disease. So this disease is caused due to deficiency of proteins in the children, proteins in their diet. So this disease caused in children, so mainly deficiency of proteins in their diet. Deficiency of proteins in their diet. So what are the other symptoms? What are the symptoms of kwashiorkor disease in children? They are mainly their body parts are become swollen because of accumulation of water in their intercellular spaces. First one. Second one, they suffer from diarrhea, and their skin will be dry always, and they are not interested to eat any type of food material also. They are not they loss of appetite also. They are not interested to eat any type of food, and as well as they are also not interested to play with their peer groups and with their friends also. These are the mainly symptoms of kwashiorkor diseased children. So how it happens in the children? Mainly kwashiorkor disease is caused in children mainly due to deficiency of proteins in their diet. So remember that one. And second disease, marasmus disease. Second disease, marasmus disease. So this marasmus disease is caused due to deficiency of both the proteins and the calories. Kwashiorkor disease is caused in children deficiency of mainly proteins in their diet. So, but the second one, marasmus disease, is caused due to deficiency of both the proteins and calories also. So, these symptoms of marasmus disease children also similar to kwashiorkor disease, except first one, that is, they are that kwashiorkor disease children are children mainly deficiency of proteins in their diet, but it is marasmus disease children are they are mainly deficiency of proteins, calories, both the proteins and the calories also. And other symptoms of marasmus disease children, they are their limbs also swollen and they are also suffer from diarrhea and their skin also will be dry always and they have voracious appetite. They are always try to eat something and they are even they are very weak and lean. They are very weak and lean. And this is about so these are the symptoms or belongs to marasmus diseased children. Okay, mainly what are the we have to identify what are the differences between Kwashiorkor diseased children and marasmus diseased children. So that is Kwashiorkor diseased children mainly deficiency of Kwashiorkor disease is caused due to deficiency of proteins in their diet, but marasmus disease is caused due to mainly deficiency of both the proteins and calories also. So that is the difference between Kwashiorkor and marasmus. We have to identify what is the difference between both the diseases. And third one, obesity. So this disease, obesity, so it is well known word nowadays in our country and other countries also. So obesity. So this is caused excess of energy intake by the children and overeating and excess of energy intake. So these two habits are leads to obesity in children. So the children who are suffering from obesity, they are said to be obese children. So what are the symptoms of obese children? So when these children are growing in size, so they are mainly targeted by some diseases. They are cardiovascular problems. They suffer from heart problems and renal problems. Such as renal problems means kidney diseases, and they frequently suffer from diabetes mellitus. So that is sugar disease also attacked on obese children. So these are the mainly symptoms of obesity. So this is mainly caused excess of energy intake, first one, and the second one, overeating. These two these two habits are leads to obesity in the children. The children who are suffering from obesity, they are said to be obese children. So what are the controlling methods? For children to avoid obesity? So that is mainly avoid eating and having junk foods at outside and inside the house. So this is this matter is enough for malnutrition and malnutritional diseases and the types of malnutrition. Already you know that types of malnutrition: protein malnutrition, calorie malnutrition, and protein calorie malnutrition. These three types of malnutrition leads to diseases in children. They are Kwashiorkor disease, marasmus disease, and obesity disease. So already I told what is the main difference between Kwashiorkor and marasmus. That is, Kwashiorkor is caused due to deficiency of proteins in the diet, and the marasmus is caused due to deficiency of both the proteins and the calories. So okay, thank you. It is enough for this topic, and we will meet you again in the next class. Thank you.